So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix Samsung Dishwasher DW80N3030US normal light blinking, meaning cause and easy reset. So fix one is perform a hard power reset. Unplug the dishwasher from the wall outlet or run off the dedicated circuit breaker. Leave the power disconnected for 5 to 10 minutes to clear the memory. Restore power to the dishwasher. Attempt to run a cycle after restoring power. Second fix is check and dry the leak sensor. Turn off the power and water supply for the dishwasher. Remove the lower kick panel using a screwdriver. Inspect the base pan with a flashlight or standing water. Use a sponge or towel to soak up any standing water. Allow the area to dry completely. Restore power and test the dishwasher. If the fan fills with water again, inspect water supply and drain hose for leak. Third fix is verify the door latch assembly. Listen for a distinct click when shutting the dishwasher door. Press the door firmly to ensure it is closed properly. If the door fails to lock, check the latch for debris or damage. A faulty switch may require placement. Fourth fix is clean the water and filter and drain system. Pull out the bottom dish rack to access the cylindrical filter. Turn the handle counterclockwise to remove the microfilter and mesh cover. Wash the microfilter and mesh cover roughly under running water. Check the bottom sump area for any standing water or debris. Clear out the drain impeller if comfortable reaching inside. Fifth fix is test the control board. Ensure the base pan is dried and the filter is cleaned. If the normal light continues to blink, the main control board may be defective. Consider replacing the main control board if necessary. Contact Samsung support for assistance. Visit Samsung part with your model number to order a replacement board. Option to schedule a technician visit for the further evaluation. Thanks for watching.